Alright, so I just got a couple of breadboards and I needed a little storage solution to some of the components I got with this thing, and I'll show you my solution. Let's turn some lights on here. So this is a lock and lock 10-inch storage container, and I glued the breadboard to the top of it, and I put the battery connector on there. It's a battery clip, and I added a step-down power converter to the breadboard. It takes 9 volts down to about 6 volts. And here's what I put in the storage for this breadboard. A few components. There's some LEDs, some jumpers, some capacitors, other stuff, and especially jumper wires. They always come in handy, and more components. A few tools, a couple of screwdrivers, tweezers come in handy. So let's see if we can build something on this breadboard real quick. And all I'm going to do is see if I can light this little blue LED on, or light it up. I'll put it right there. I'm going to add a capacitor. I think it's about a 1000 ohm capacitor to this little circuit on the power side. And I need a couple of jumper wires. Okay, I'm going to add one jumper wire to this side on the positive. That's positive, and I'm going to add the other, add it just on the left side of the resistor. And you got to have a resistor if you're going to use LEDs, because these things can't take the even 9 volts of power. And then I'm going to use another jumper on this side of the LED to the negative power. So that's basically the circuit. I got power from the 9-volt battery coming through the power converter to the resistor, to the light, to the negative side of the power. Now let's add the battery. Let's see if this thing works. So there you go. There's my first breadboard circuit. 9-volt battery and an LED light. I think that calls for some cowbell. Knuckle bump.